Today I'm going to explain the first chapter in the Maths 2B, it is circle. So it is the one of the important chapter, and first of all we should know what is the definition of circle. What is the circle here? So circle is a set of points which are at the equal distance from the fixed point. See here, example, this is the circle here. So the circle, this is the fixed point. So the each and every point A, for example, is A, the point B, it is the point C. Like this, there are the many points. So these all points are at the fixed distance. So therefore, we can define the circle like this. This is the set of points which are at the equal distance from the fixed point. So is called as the circle. So in this, the fixed point is called as the center. Is the fixed point is center, and the distance from the fixed point to the any point on the circle is called as the radius. Then the example, it is the O, then OA and OB and OC, so are called as the radius. Okay, now this is the main definition of the circle. So if you see once again, the circle is the set of the points which are at the equal distance from the fixed point. So and the fixed point is called as the center, and the fixed distance is called as the radius. The radius is the distance from the center to the any point on the circle. If you take the any point circle, the distance is fixed here. So the distance is called as the radius. So and here the double of the radius is called as the diameter. Therefore the diameter is equal to d. Then d is equal to 2 into r. 2 into that r. So d is equal to r, and this is the center. Basically you can indicate the center with the c, and the radius is the small r. So r is the radius, c is the center, and d is the diameter. So then we go for the equation of the circle. Next we have to learn the standard form of circle. The standard form. So here we take that. So these are the our axis here. So here the origin is the center of the circle, and we take this. This is the center, and this is the circle. So this is the origin. O is the center of circle, and if you check the any point P on the circle, there is the x comma y. So then ikkada OP is radius. OP is radius. Then take that here OP is equal to R. OP is equal to R, because here the distance from the center to the any point on the circle is called as the radius. Therefore take the OP is equal to R. So now apply the distance formula, that is the from on the OP here. Therefore O is equal to 0 comma 0 and P is equal to x comma y. So then take that on root of the distance from the origin to the any point is given that x square plus y square is equal to R is there. So now apply the root on apply the square on both sides, then become that x square plus y square is equal to R square. So this is the standard equation or standard form of the circle, that is the x square plus y square is equal to R square. I am writing here. This is the standard form, that is what here, x square plus y square is equal to R square. So in this case the center C is the origin and the radius is the R, and C is the center, origin that is the 0 comma 0 and R is the radius. So when you have the center is the 0 comma 0 and R is given, so we can use the to find out the circle equation, that is the x square plus y square is equal to R square. So then we go for the next form here. If the center is not the origin, then how will be the equation? So then take that here So this is the our axis here, and then this is the circle like this. This is the circle. So in this case the center is not the origin is here. This is the center. So take the center. C is the h comma k. C is equal to h comma k, and take the any point on the circle, that is the p. So p is the point x comma y. P is x comma y, and the cp is equal to the radius, that is the given that r. Here the cp radius is equal to r. Here x2 minus x1, that is the x1 y1, this is the x2 y2. The distance formula you see, x1 minus x2, that is the nothing but x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r. This is under root. Why? Because the distance formula is that what here, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. So when x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the 2 points, and the distance between them is the formula. So this is the distance formula you can apply here. So now apply the square on both sides. We get that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So this is the second form of the circle when the h comma k is the origin and r is the radius. So I'm writing here the x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. X minus h whole square and y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation of the circle where h comma k is the center and r is the radius. అంటే ఇక్కడ h comma k అనేది సెంటర్గా ఉంటుంది అండ్ r అనేది దీని యొక్క రేడియస్ అవుతుంది. అలా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనము ఈ ఫార్ములా వాడుకోవాలన్నమాట టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద ఈక్వేషన్. సో ఇక్కడ వెన్ సెంటర్ అనేది 0,0 అయి ఉండి దీని యొక్క రేడియస్ అనేది r అయినప్పుడు మనం ఈ ఫార్ములా వాడుకోవాలి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద టూ డిఫరెంట్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఎట్ ద డిఫరెంట్ కేసెస్. సో నౌ we go for the general form of the circle. So for that purpose I will take the one equation here. This is the second degree equation. The second degree equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the second degree equation. సో ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ అనే ఒక సర్కిల్ని చూపించాలంటే మనకు కొన్ని కండిషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో అవి ఏంటి అంటే ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి ద ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఈస్ దట్ ఏ అండ్ బి, ద కొఫిషియంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అండ్ ద కొఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ ద వై స్క్వేర్ మస్ట్ బి ఈక్వల్ అండ్ ది షుడ్ నాట్ బి ఈక్వల్ 0. అవి కూడా 0 కావద్దు, కానీ అవి రెండు కూడా ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. నెంబర్ 2, the h must be 0. అంటే ఇక్కడ xy టర్మ్ మస్ట్ బి వ్యానిష్డ్, అంటే xy అనే టర్మ్ ఉండద్దు. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి థర్డ్ వన్, ఇక్కడ g స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఏసీ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 మాత్రమే ఉండాలి, నెగిటివ్ కావద్దు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద 3 conditions. When a second degree equation follows these 3 conditions, then the equation must represent a circle. So if you apply these 3 rules here, it becomes that a and b must be equal. And we have to equate the coefficient of the x square and coefficient of the y square. It becomes that then a x square then plus a y square. And we are now equating the both coefficient here. And x square coefficient and y coefficient must be equal. And h must be 0. When h becomes 0, the x term will be vanished. Therefore, we need to write this term and then take that here 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of the circle. This is the general equation of the circle. This is the ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So when it is the circle equation, then what is the center? The center is equal to, there is the minus g by a and minus f by a. Minus g by a and minus f by a is the center of the circle. And the radius is g square plus f square minus AC the root by a. So this is the formula of radius. This indicates the radius, it indicates the center. So when ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the circle equation, then this is the center, this is the radius. And you should write here, this is the ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the circle equation. Then its radius r is equal to g square plus f square minus ac by a, the root is the radius, and center వచ్చేసి minus g by a comma minus f by a, minus g by a and minus f by a is the center, this is the radius. So these three are the basic equations of the circles and the center and the radius formula. So now we go for the some simple cases here. So we should take the some important note key points. So example, see here, ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is a circle equation if the a value become 1. ఒకవేళ a value 1 అయింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? సో దెన్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ బికమ్ లైక్ దిస్. ఎలా అంటే ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So when, so it is the circle equation, then what is the center? C is equal to minus g by a and minus f by a. So in this formula, write the value of a is equal to 1. Then it become that here minus g by a అంటే 1 కాబట్టి అవసరం రాయడం and minus f. So when ikkada coefficient of the x square and y square become the 1, then the center become minus g comma minus f. And we have to observe that here the coefficient of the x square and y square are equal or not, and if they are equal to 1, they can then we can use this formula only. And the radius is equal to r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus a is equal to 1 kabatti, so we can write the direct c, and by a is 1 we need not to write. We can use this formula when the a value is 1. So this is the formula, and this is the first key point, this is the first note here, this is the center, this is the radius. So number 2, if the radius becomes 0, if the g square plus f square minus c, this is radius, it become 0. Well, if any circle has the radius is 0, then become that g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0. So when the g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, so then the circle is called as the point circle. It's called as the point circle. This is the one point is there. So this is the point circle అన్నమాట. అదొక సర్కిల్ ఎక్కడ ఏంటంటే it has the radius 0. Why? Because it contains the one center only, but it has no radius. That's why it is called as the point circle. When r is equal to 0, when radius is equal to 0, then the circle is called as the point circle. And next point, if 0, 0 is the origin, the 0, 0 is the origin, and the origin is the center, origin is the center, అంటే ఒక సర్కిల్కి 0, 0 అనేది ఒక సెంటర్, తర్వాత r అనేది 0 అయిపోయింది అనుకుందాం, అంటే రేడియస్ is 0 and the origin become what here, its center అని అనుకోండి. సో దెన్ ద సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే అది x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఇస్ ద g వాల్యూ, ఇస్ ద f వాల్యూ. సో ఇక్కడ g అండ్ f బికమ్ బోత్ ఆర్ బికమ్ 0, 0 అయిపోయింది ఇక్కడ. అండ్ వెన్ ద సెంటర్ is equal to 0 ఉంది కాబట్టి, సో c also become 0. Then this is the equation x square plus y square is equal to 0 is the circle equation, which is the point circle with the center is origin. Next వచ్చేసి fourth point. if the circle is passes through the origin, example this is the like this ఇలా ఉందనుకుందాం, the circle is passing through the origin, then how the equation will be? So if see here, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is a circle. So then the 0 comma 0 is on the circle. Kabatti write the x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in the equation. Then become that here 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c is equal to 0. Then c become 0. Ante in which equation in which equation c will absent? Example like this, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. So then the circle passes through the origin. ఇప్పుడు అంటే ఏ ఈక్వేషన్ అయితే కాన్స్టాంట్ అనేది వానిష్ అవుతుందో, సో దట్ ఈక్వేషన్ గోస్ టు ద ఆరిజిన్ లైక్ దిస్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2fy is equal to 0. So it is the circle equation which is passes through the origin. Example I will take here, example x square plus y square plus 2x plus 6y is equal to 0. You can see that directly ikkada c అనేది absent ఉంది, అంటే ఇక్కడ there is no constant term, that's why ఈ circle అనేది ఏం చేస్తుంది, goes to the origin like this. Kana in that way you can be identify that here the c is absent, then the circle passes through the origin. Okay, next key point, if the this is circle, this is the circle, and if the circle center is on the x-axis, ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి, x-axis పైన concentric center ఉంది, center is on the x-axis, this is the origin, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. అంటే if the circle has the center and on the x-axis, so we know that here on the x-axis the y term is always 0, కాబట్టి మనకు the center is in the form of minus g comma 0 ఉంటుంది, minus g comma 0. అంటే so in that equation the h term will be vanish, so therefore become like this, x square plus y square plus 2gx, అంటే ఇక్కడ the term f will be 0, therefore it will be absent, and plus c is equal to 0. And if the center is on the x-axis, this is the equation of the circle. In the same way the circle center is on the y-axis like this. Okay, so you know that here on the y-axis the x coordinate will become 0, therefore it become form of the 0 comma minus f, it is the form of 0 comma minus f. So then its equation is like this, x square plus y square, the g value become 0, that's why the x term will be vanish, plus f value is there, therefore 2fy plus c is equal to 0. It means in the any equation if the f term will be absent, then it is on the center is on the x-axis. If in the equation the x term will be absent, then the center is on the y-axis. So you can be identify easily where the center is located by these key points. Okay, next topic is concentric circles. Concentric means if two or more circles have only same center. See here, this is the one circle and this is the another circle. Here the both have the only one center. I'm sorry, I am unable to draw on the board. So these are the circles, this is center. This is center here. అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఫర్ ద దిస్ ఇస్ ద సర్కిల్ s1, దిస్ ఇస్ సర్కిల్ s2. సో ఇక్కడ s1 కామా s2 హ్యావ్ ద సేమ్ సెంటర్ హియర్, సో దెన్ దోస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ as the concentric circles. If two or more circles have the only one center, so then they are called as the concentric circles. So for example, if s1 the equation like this ఎలా ఉందంటే x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, then the concentric of the first circle, the s2 equation ఇది లైక్ దిస్. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అనేది మారదు, వై స్క్వేర్ అనేది మారదు. తర్వాత దే హ్యావ్ ద సేమ్ సెంటర్, దట్స్ వై ద జీ అండ్ ఎఫ్ ద సెంటర్ వాల్యూస్ విల్ నాట్ బి చేంజ్ ఇయర్. మైనస్ జీ కామా మైనస్ ఎఫ్ ఇస్ సెంటర్ కాబట్టి సో దీస్ వాల్యూస్ వోంట్ చేంజ్. దట్స్ వై దీస్ టూ టర్మ్స్ ఆల్సో విల్ బి సేమ్. 2gx and what na 2fy, and the c value will be changes here. They become the c dash, like in place of c take the k. Ante the constant term is different here. The two circles having the 2gx and 2fy terms are same and the constants are different, then we can say that those are the concentric circles. Ela ante example, so here x square plus y square plus 6x plus 9y plus 9 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 6x plus 9y plus 12 is equal to 0. If you observe here, so these terms all are same for the both equations and only the constants are changing here. So when these terms are same and only the constants are different, then we can identify that they are the concentric circles. They have the same center. So in that way we have to identify here. So x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, and x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k are the both are the concentric circles anamata. So next one we should know about the unit circle. Unit circle. So if the a circle has the radius as 1, the radius is equal to 1 unit aithe itta, so then it is called as the unit circle. If the any circle with the radius as 1 unit is called as the unit circle. So it is the very small definition here. So these are the key points and you have to note down on the notebook. So with these key points we can go to the exercise directly, so we can do the answers very perfectly. Now some more key points here. So example here, the s is equal to 0 is a circle. S is equal to 0 is a circle. So and it is equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So it is a circle. So if the any point on the circle is the p x1 y1, x1 is the point on the circle, and so if the point is on the circle, then the point will satisfy the circle equation. And if you write the values of x and y in place of the x and y, so then we get the 0. అంటే ఈ పాయింట్ అనేది సర్కిల్ పైన ఉన్నట్లయితే ఇట్ట ఆ ఈక్వేషన్ని ఆ పాయింట్ అనేది సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ ద values of the x and y in the equation, we get the 0. So next you see, if g square minus c is greater than 0, is greater than 0, so then the circle will make the one intercept on the x-axis like this. This case, this is the a, this is called as the x-intercept. AB is what no x-intercept. ఇప్పుడు g square minus c అనేది 0 కంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పుడు the circle will be form the intercept on the x-axis, and the length of the intercept is equal to, then AB is equal to 2 into root of g square minus c. G square minus c. The same way, if f square minus c is greater than 0, if f square minus c is greater than 0, then the circle will make the one intercept on the y-axis like this. So then this colors out na y-intercept. Therefore the a is the b. Then AB is equal to 2 into root of f square minus c. F square minus c. So if f square minus c is greater than 0, only it is possible. Actually it is the proof in the textbook, but is need not to explain. So just we have to keep these 2 points in the mind. So when g square minus c is greater than 0, then you can form the x-intercept on the x-axis. Then the x-intercept length is equal to AB 2 into root of g square minus c. And same way, when f square minus c is greater than 0, they form the y-intercept on the y-axis. So then the length of the y-intercept is equal to 2 into root of f square minus c. So we can use this formula to solve some problems in the exercise. Next we know that the definition of the chord of the circle. So if the circle is there, this is a circle, and the circle a comma b are the 2 points. A comma b are the 2 points. If a line segment join the point a and b, so then the ab is called as the chord. AB is called as the chord of the circle, and in the circle the diameter also a chord. It is also a chord, and it is the longest chord. Here diameter is longest chord. Longest chord. So, and what is the secant? So this is a circle here. This is the circle here. If a comma b are the 2 points here, a comma b are the 2 points here. If a line passes through the 2 points, passes through the 2 points of a circle, so then the line is called as the secant. So we can be understand here, the line segment through the any 2 points on the circle is called as the chord, and the line through the any 2 points on the circle is called as the secant. So these two are the different here. This is the line. It has no end points, but it is the line segment is the only there. So if the line segment join the any 2 points, it's called as the chord. You can draw the number of chords in the circle. These are all are the chords only, like this. The same we can draw the number of secants. These are all are the secants. Okay, na? So these two are the two definitions of the chord and the secant. And next, so next we have to learn that the circle equation. Circle equation. Sorry, it is slippery. We should know that the circle equation. So when the two end points of the diameter is given, it is the diameter, this is the center, this is the x1 y1, this is the x2 y2, and when the two end points of the diameter is given, then what is the circle equation here, and we have to find out the its formula here. So to find out the formula, now we have to assume that a point P is x comma y is on the circle. It is the point A, it is the point B. ఇక్కడ AB అనేది diameter అన్నమాట. AB is the diameter, and A is x1 y1 and B is the x2 y2. And take the P, x comma y is the point on the circle. So if you join the PA and PB, and the PA and PB, so here this angle become the 90. Why? Because we already know that here the angle in semicircle is always 90. So therefore here the PA and PB so are perpendicular to each other. Yes or no? PA and PB are both are perpendicular to each other, and then the slope of the PA into slope of PB is equal to -1. We know very well. We are already learned in the first year only. The slope of PA and slope of PB is equal to -1. Why? Because here the PA and PB both are perpendicular to each other. So then we know that here the formula of the slope here y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Therefore take that here y2 minus y1. Therefore y minus y1 by x minus x1 into here. So y minus y2 by x minus x2 is equal to -1. So now take that here, keep the y minus y1 into y minus y2 by x minus x1 into x minus x2 is equal to -1. Now transpose these two, this become into here, become that here y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2. So now take them to all one side, become that positive this side, get that x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the formula of the circle when the two endpoints of diameter are given. This is the formula: x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So this is the formula of the circle equation. The two endpoints ఇలా a and b అనేది ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. So next we have to go for the exercise 1a. So in this in the first question we have that find the equations of the circle with the given center and radius. Here the center and radius given, the center is 2 comma minus 3 and the radius is 4. Then what is the circle equation? So it is a very simple to find the answer. So when the center and radius given, the circle equation is if h comma k is center and r is radius is center and r is radius, then the circle equation given that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the circle equation. So when the center and radius h comma k is center and radius r is given, this is the formula of the circle. So we have to use this formula to find the answer here. So given that center 2 comma minus 3, therefore the h is equal to h comma k is equal to 2 comma minus 3 and r is equal to 4. Substitute these values in the equation, we get the answer. That's why x minus h is equal to 2, that is the whole square, plus y minus of minus become the place అవుతుంది. y plus 3 whole square is equal to r square అంటే 4 square. So we have to expand by using the formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equal to, I'm writing here, so a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So then we apply the formula here, it become that here x minus 2 ante become that x square plus 4 minus 4x, then plus y square plus 9 plus 6x, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and is equal to 4 square nothing but 16. We get that here x square y square right at one place, x square plus y square, then x term minus 4x, then y term, sorry, is 6y. So then get that plus 6y and take that here plus 4 plus 9, being this side become the minus 16 is equal to 0. So then we get that here x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y. So 9 plus 4 13, 13 minus 16 we get that minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the circle equation for given radius and center. So this is the first question. This is the one of the important question for 2 marks, and the question number fifth one also important in the first bit. Let's check that here. Fifth one is center is cos alpha and sin alpha, and then the radius given that is 1. So this is sin alpha cos alpha, sorry, cos alpha comma sin alpha is the center and radius is 1. We have to write these values in the formula. We get that here x minus cos alpha whole square plus y minus sin alpha whole square is equal to 1 square. So here if you observe that here x minus cos alpha, a minus b whole square formula here we have, and y minus sin alpha, a minus b whole square formula is we have here. So then one second, so then should take that here. So x cos alpha ante x square plus cos alpha, cos square alpha, and then minus 2 into AB means 2 into x into cos alpha. Then plus here we have that plus y square plus sin square a square plus b square minus 2ab means minus 2 into y into sin alpha is equal to 1. So we should write the x square term first. That's why x square plus y square, then minus 2x into cos alpha, then y term minus 2y into sin alpha, then write the constants, that is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1, and we know that the value of the sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Take that 1 here, so it become that x square plus y square minus 2x cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha plus 1, bring the when this will become the minus 1 is equal to 0. So then the 1 minus 1 get cancelled. We get that here x square plus y square minus 2x cos alpha minus 2y sin alpha is equal to 0. This is the one of the important question for 2 marks. This is the answer. So next question is sixth one. So next important question, the sixth one, c is equal to minus 7 minus 3 and r is equal to 4 given here. So then x minus h means here minus 7, minus of minus become the plus అవుతుంది, x plus 7 whole square and plus y minus of minus plus 3 whole square is equal to r square 4 square. So then we have to apply the formula here a plus b whole square, become that a square plus b square plus 2ab 7 2 is 14x plus y square plus 3 square plus 2 into 3 6y is equal to 16. So then we get that here x square plus take that y square, then x term plus 14x plus 6y, then 7 square nothing but 49 plus 9 minus 16. So we get that here x square plus y square plus 14x plus 6y 49 plus 9. So we get that here plus 58 minus 16 is equal to 0. So then we get that here x square plus y square plus 14x plus 6y 58 minus 16 nothing but 42 plus 42 is equal to 0. So this is the answer. So this is the one of the important question. And next one is that question number 7. Question number 7. So it is also important question for the IB exam, given that here the c is equal to minus 1 by 2 and minus 9, then r is equal to 5. So it is the important question, number of times it came in the IP exam. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square is the equation of the circle when the center and radius given. So here h is the minus 1 by 2 and k is the minus 9 and r is the 5. Substitute the values in the formula. So then we get that here x minus of minus plus 1 by 2 whole square plus y minus k means minus of minus become plus 9 whole square is equal to r square to nothing but 5 square. So now x square a square plus b square ante 1 by 4 plus 2 into x into 1 by 2 2ab 2 into a into b, then take that y square plus 9 square 81 plus 2 into 9 into y 18y is equal to 25. Then we get that here x square plus take that y square, then take that here 2 to get cancelled, we get the only x, then y term plus 18y then constants, we get the plus 1 by 4 here, and we get the 81 and minus 25 is equal to 0. So now x square plus y square plus x and plus 18 y, and take that here plus 1 by 4, then 81 minus 25, so 10 carry it minus 5, 6, 56 plus 56 is equal to 0. So now we have the 1 by 4 here. We take the LCM. So LCM is 4. Then we get that here 4x square plus 4y square and plus 4x plus 18 4 ja 72y, and then plus get the 1 here plus 56 4 ja 224 equal 0. Then transpose the 4, this become the into, it become the 0 only. So then we get that here 4x square plus 4y square plus 4x plus 72y and become the plus 225 is equal to 0. This is the circle equation for the given center and radius. Then one more important question, the first bit, that is the 10th one, is the C is equal to 0 comma 0 and the radius is equal to 9 given. Then formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Write the values of the h comma k, then x minus h become 0 and k become 0. Then we get that here x square plus y square is equal to 9 square. Nothing but x square plus y square is equal to 81. Take the one side here, x square plus y square minus 81 is equal to 0. So this is the circle equation for the given center and the radius. So these are the first bit questions, first questions. So these questions are important. So we may get the one question for the 2 marks from this bit.